Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Chemical kinetics is tricky, but we will find the rate law quickly. Let's solve this problem together right now. First, look closely at the provided graphs to identify which one shows a straight line. We see that the plot of 1 over the concentration of nitrogen dioxide is perfectly linear. Remember that a linear plot of 1 over concentration versus time is the classic signature of a second-order reaction. This specific relationship tells us exactly how the rate depends on concentration. Since the reaction is second order for nitrogen dioxide, the rate equals K times the concentration squared. This leads directly to our final answer. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given data and check steps for option D.